Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome to my channel. Learn with ease. Today we will learn phonic sound of H. H. Are you ready? Should we start? So let's go. H. Ha. Ha. Horse. Ha. Horse. Ha. Hippopotamus. Ha. Hippopotamus. Ha. Heron. Ha. Heron. Ha. Hare. Ha. Hare. Ha. Hen. Ha. Hen. Ha. Honeybee. Ha. Honeybee. Ha. Hummingbird. Ha. Hummingbird. Ha. Hyena. Ha. Hyena. Ha. Hornbill. Ha. Hornbill. Ha. Hamster. Hamster. Ha. Hawk. Ha. Hawk. Now let's learn some more words of sound H. Ha. Hunter. Ha. Hunter. Ha. Hare. Ha. Hare. Now see carefully what this hunter is doing. Oh, hunter is hunting. Ha. Hunting. Ha. Hanger. Ha. Hang. Ha. Hang. Hang your clothes on hanger. Hang your clothes on hanger. Ha. Hook. Ha. Hammock. Ha. Hook. Ha. Hammock. Tie this hammock on hook. Tie this hammock on hook. Ha. Hay. Ha. Hut. Now see carefully what this man is doing. This man is covering his hut with hay. See, he is covering his hut with hay. Ha. Hold. Hold. Hold my hand. Ha. Hug. Ha. Hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Ha. Heart. Heart. Ha. Hair. Hair. Black hair. Ha. Head. Ha. Head. Ha. Hand. Ha. Hand. Ha. Hassle. Hassle. Don't work in hassle. Don't work in hassle. Ha. Hustle bustle. Hustle bustle. There was hustle bustle in the market. Ha. Hustle bustle. Ha. Hole. Hole. I am empty. Put coins in me. Ha. Hollow. Ha. Hollow. Ha. Beehive. Ha. Hive. Ha. Hive. Ha. Honey. Honey is extracted from hive, hive. A hem, a hamburger. A hazelnut, a hazelnut. Hazelnut chocolate. A hum, a hum. I am camel. I have a hump. A horn. I have beautiful horns. A happy. I am very happy. A hurt. A hurt. I am hurt. Ah, it's puzzle time now. It's your turn to guess what's in picture. So let's start. See what's in picture. I protect your head from heat. Who am I? I cover your head. Tell me, who am I? A hat. Hat. Next, you feel safe and calm in me. Who am I? You feel safe and calm in me. Tell me, who am I? Yes, I am your sweet home. A home. Next is this. Blow me to get aside. Who am I? A horn. A horn. Now tell me, what is this? I am huge and high. You come in my lap to get rid from summers. Tell me now, what's my name? Yes, hills, hill station. Next, you cut me into equal parts and share one with your friend. Tell me now, what's my name? Half, half, half. Now tell me, who am I? You always keep me in your pocket. You never leave home without me. You never leave home without me. Who am I? Yes, hanky, handkerchief. Now see, I am very rough and tough. I protect your head from injury. Tell me my name. Helmet, helmet. I am helmet. Hooray! You have done it. Very good. You cracked all the puzzles. Now, let's learn sound blends of alphabet H. Are you ready? Let's start. What's this? A. A. What is the sound of H? Ha. And what is the sound of A? A. Now join these two sounds. Ha. A. Ha. Ha. Hammer. Hammer. Ha. A. Ha. Heart. Heart. Now see, what is this? E. E. What is the sound of H? Ha. And what is the sound of E? Eh. Now join these two sounds. Ha, eh, ha, eh, he. He, ha, he. Heap of sand. Ha, hello. Hello, hello everyone. I, I. What is the sound of H? Now tell me. Ha. And what is the sound of I? E. Now join these two sounds. Ha, E. He, he. Hit, hit the ball. Hit, hit the ball. Ha, he. Hinge, hinge. Hinge, hinge on door. Next, O, O. What is the sound of H? Ha, ha. And what is the sound of O? O. Now join these two sounds. Ha, O, ho, ho. Hot, hot. A cup of hot coffee. Ha, holy, holy book, holy book. Now see, what is this? You. Now tell me sound of H. Ha. And sound of U. Ah. Now join these two sounds. Ha. Ah. Huge. Huge. Huge building. Ha. Eh. Hungry. Hungry. I am hungry. Clapping for you, all of you. Wonderful. You have done it. Hooray. Give me a high five. Now subscribe, like and share my channel. Soon I will be back with my next video. Next video on phonic sound of I. Till then, goodbye. Take care.